so we made it in. Here is our room. We're in 9476 in the Havana area. First time that we're in the Havana area, so I wanted to kind of give you a little quick tour of what the Havana area is. This is just one part. I'll show you the Havana area where we have exclusive area where we can party. So before that, show you guys the closet, and we do get our own robes for the Havana experience, guys. Check this out. We're gonna be on deck. Gonna be on our extended balcony. I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so this is a safe and everything. Okay, so here is a little desk area. It's pretty tiny. The room is a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, but the magic, guys, the magic is in a little bit. I'll show you the outside. So this is the bed. Nice queen size bed here. Here's another little table. And of course we got our complimentary vodka. Thank you. And here's our fridge. Nice little fridge. It feels a little not so cold, but we'll see if that works. A little shelving here. Look at the flooring is a little bit different, guys. So this is the bed. There it is. A little seat here. Of course, your standard, guys, your standard bathroom here as well. Standard bathroom for Carnival, but this is where the magic is. This is the door to the magic. Let's take a look outside here. Thank you, bud. Now, this is an extended balcony in the half side. I wanted to show you we're still in Long Beach here. So we're at the port. But we get nearly a past a 45 degree view. Or 90 degree view. This is amazing. Look how far our balcony goes. So this is an area where we can sit. Normally balconies look like about this yay small. Let's walk the length of this balcony. Here's that first window. Let's walk this full balcony. It goes all the way around. Here's our door. And you still are able to walk all the way back here. Isn't this awesome? So lots of room to sunbathe here privately. And the experience I was talking about is that little area down there with the pool and the 2 hot tubs is our exclusive area. So we have exclusive availability for that area pretty much until about 6 or 7 o'clock in the evening. So, isn't that awesome? Alright guys, thanks so much for hanging out with us on this room tour. I'll show you guys downstairs what it looks like, but on a different video. We'll show you guys on a different video. Thanks for hanging out with us on this room tour. We're going to come back and we're going to do some relaxing and chilling out before we do some fun stuff a little later. Still pretty early. It's about 1:45, so we have plenty of time. The ship is so humongous you don't even hear the noise back here because there's so many people. It's 90% capacity for a 4,000 capacity ship, guys. That's like 3,600 people on this boat. So really exciting. Here's Long Beach once again. Take a look. And we'll look at the waters once again here. Thanks for checking out this room tour. If there's any questions, let me know in the chat below or in the comments below. I'd love to answer those questions for you. Here's another angle so you can see it. There it is. Of course, there's a TV and a little hall here. Alright guys, we'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that bell notification, guys, for A&B Variety TV because we have plenty more where this has come from. See you guys on the next one. Bye.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple.